Trader Joe's U-Haul. Yeah, we're about to go super crazy. I have shit y'all never seen before. I never seen before, and it's gonna make you want to go to Trader Joe's, so make sure you stick out for the whole video. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing a Trader Joe's U-Haul, so let's get right into it. We spent $224, and if you go to Trader Joe's, you know that's really expensive because Trader Joe's is so freaking cheap. Let's get into it. So they have a whole bunch of fall items. I'm super excited because I love the fall. So this is one of the things I saw is the pumpkin spice pretzels. This is how it looks. Also, National Pumpkin Spice Day is October 1st, I believe. Comment down below if you want me to do a video of all the pumpkin items on October 1st, or do you just want me to do it separately. We got pumpkin cheesecakes, croissant. Yeah, we're making all of these, guys. We're not gonna make it today, sadly, but we're gonna make it. Some of the videos are going to be up on TikTok, so make sure you check out my TikTok because we're trying the butter chicken. Ooh, I just spoiled it for y'all, but we're going to try it. The chicken spring rolls, this was not for me, this was for Ali, but we're going to still try it. So we got butter chicken. I know y'all been seeing it all over TikTok, and we're going to try it, real deal. So we got some ice cream sandwiches. Never had these. A lot of the items is my first time having it, but we're gonna try it. I'm most likely gonna do like mini reviews on my TikTok, so make sure you tune into that. And maybe I'll just do like a giant new haul, me trying it on different days and just collab into one. Make sure you comment down below and let me know which one want me to do. I'll be looking at the comments, y'all. I'll be really wanting you to comment and let me know shit. So we got beef New York steak. This was like new at Trader Joe's. I've never seen it before, but the steak at Trader Joe's is actually pretty good. So we're about to try it. Some lobster ravioli. Can y'all believe this was like under $5, which is why we got two, because it was so cheap and it's lobster. Yeah, we're about to see what's the deal with these. French vanilla ice cream. About to try, and make sure y'all comment down below what item y'all want to try. Like, talk to me, talk to your girl. Water, because not everything we get is unhealthy. Oh, I'm super excited for this. It's a pumpkin spice like cookie sandwich, and I'm not gonna lie, the maple one wasn't really that good, but let's see if this one's better. This looks really good, and they have all over the store, so I think it's a popular seasonal item. The next thing we got is the Southwest chicken quesadillas. Am I excited? Not really. Does it look good? Hell yeah. Should we make guacamole with this? That sounds really good. So the next item is a Jamaican style beef patties from Trader Joe's. I've seen a lot of mixed reviews about it, but I'm gonna let y'all know if it's good. So what's next? We have 5 bags, y'all. 5. So, ooh, oh my gosh, cinnamon roll drizzle granola. Make overnight oats, and I'm gonna add these on top, and I feel like it's gonna be so freaking good. Like this, I'm super excited for this one. This one sounds so freaking good. The pure Irish butter, this one is really good. I really like this butter, I'm not even gonna lie, I really do fuck with it. And it's the cheapest at Trader Joe's, FYI. Can I get some? We have to show the people. So he made food without me, and this is the Trader Joe's Spinach Artichoke Dip with the naan bread. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm saying it wrong, just correct me in the comments. It's really good. So this is the bread we're gonna eat with the butter chicken, and it tastes really good. This with the dip though, you up to something with this. Don't never miss. After the mini food break, we're gonna go back to the food. So we got some almond flour. I'm not gonna lie, the tortillas, the almond flour tortillas from Trader Joe's is so good, but I didn't see them today, so I didn't get it. Avocado oil, brown sugar. I love the brown sugar from Trader. I just love Trader Joe's. If y'all haven't realized that, I really do love Trader Joe's because like everything about it is amazing. Like the prices are so good. Like it's like before COVID taxes, that's Trader Joe's. I got some peaches because I want to make peach cobbler. I want to make like fall theme shit. So make sure you comment down below and let me know what y'all want me to cook, because your girl eats anything. Literally anything. I low-key ate pickles. Like before I didn't eat pickles, but I ate pickles on the chicken sandwich. It's like, pickles are low-key good, but I don't know if I'm eating solo. We got some onions. And bro, when I picked this veggie and I got like the, you know, the baggy flavor, bro, this is high ass quality freaking, like this is so soft. Like I was like, this is really soft. Like Trader Joe's put their money we're supposed to bake. Some kiwan, I don't know how to say this, but trying to be healthy and shit. Ginger for my detox drink. I'm looking to do like ginger shots, but I need a new juicer, so I'm selling the one I have now. So if you want, there's nothing wrong with it. I just want a different one, honestly. Like, I just want a different one. So if you want it, let me know. DM me on Instagram and I got y'all. So we got some pumpkin blondie brownies, and bro, their sea salt brownies are so good. Like, they're the best brownies I ever had. I didn't get them, but I'm excited to try this. Like, look how thick. Like, it looks, you see how thick that shit is? Trader Joe's is it, bro. Like, I see why people, bro, like, no, I'm not gassing it. Trader Joe's is one of the best supermarkets for a fact. Another pack of beef patties. We are on 2. Salmon. This is basically like the best salmon to get. Focus. This is like the best salmon to get, so I highly recommend. And it's usually very expensive in supermarkets, but Trader Joe's has it for great prices. I don't know if y'all tune in like that, but it's like 2 big ass pieces for $14. Are you kidding me? We also got this chicken Taki samosas. I said samosas. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if y'all come and ask, whatever. But we're also gonna try this with the buttered chicken. They're basically having like an Indian food night, which is rare because I don't really eat Indian food like that, but he does. But we're going to try it. So, oh, I'm so excited for this one. I forgot I got this. Yo, oh, look at this, bro. Look at this. Don't play with me right now. This is my jam. Chocolate tiny pancakes. I'm probably gonna eat this for breakfast tomorrow, or I'm gonna eat something else, and y'all gonna see what it is because it's coming up. Apple blossoms. As I can see now, what's coming up now is really a random shit, but they're all fall themed, which is really good, and I have an excuse to try it. I seen that girl on TikTok. I'm dead. But this looks super good. We might have to remake this because I really like this idea, like, for real. I just ate a couple seconds ago. I'm not gonna lie, this was busting right now. Okay, today was my first time trying it. We were supposed to try with the butter chicken, but we got hungry. But this was really good. I'm not gonna lie. We bought OD of them because we're gonna eat it with the dip, and on top of that, we're gonna eat it with the butter chicken. So make sure you tune into that review because y'all know I don't cap. If it's nasty, I'm gonna let y'all know if it's nasty. And comment down below what else you want me to try. Because I've seen a lot of things from Trader Joe's, but there's some things I haven't got. Because I'm like, are they gonna be interested in that? Let me know. So next thing I got, oh my god, I got so much things. So the rusted apple tart, I'm not really too excited for it, but it was apple. Yo, it's really moving around. Like, it's so heavy. But yes, I've been seeing this all over TikTok, and I love lava cakes, and I've seen this before, but I just never tried it. Today I had an excuse to buy it, so we're gonna try this, and then we are gonna try with this ice cream. Yeah, we're going off with the videos. Apple cinnamon oatmeal bites. I don't know how I feel about this, but we're gonna try it. It doesn't sound bad, but I'm just not a big fan of oatmeal. Even though this time I make overnight oats, I'm just gonna try it because Ali tried it and I put him onto it, and then he started eating it and he was like, this is really good. So I'm gonna try it. What's the hype about? What's the hype? Stop my booger. For this one, I am not excited at all. This sounds disgusting to me, but it's seasonal. We're trying a lot of seasonal shit. So yeah, this not excited for at all. It doesn't sound good at all. Butterscotch mac and cheese. I just realized it was mac and cheese. I am not excited, but we're gonna try it. I got some kale. Yeah, I would get it fresh, but I don't think they be having it fresh. I'm not even gonna lie. And this just fell, and it did not crack. Pasture raised eggs. I put y'all on. This is the best eggs, the most healthiest eggs we can get. And this is not my favorite brand, but Trader Joe's usually have just their brand shit, not from other brands. So we got Almond Mozzarella style. It's like a replacement for cheese. I'm not really a cheese person, but a lot of the things I'm gonna cook involve cheese, but I'm not trying to beast with the dairy, so we just got a replacement for it. Another bread. I'm telling y'all, we went crazy with the bread. Here is the best creamer ever. This is so freaking good, bro. This will matcha superior wabe. Superior, bro. Yeah, I don't put y'all on some bad shit. Okay, this one is a little weird, but I've been eyeing this one for mad long. It's breaded fried ravioli. And am I excited? slightly, but not really. But we're gonna try it. I'm literally trying all this shit because I love y'all. Y'all my homies. And if you haven't already, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel so I can get my money back. Bro, oh my god. I haven't seen with hash brown for mad long because my store been sold out of it. Like, every single time we go, they don't have it, but bro, they had it. These right here with some freaking avocado and some eggs. Bro, best thing ever. With the Trader Joe's circus garlic, bro, best thing ever. Like, that shit would not disappoint. This is another spring roll. He bought 2. And this is what we was eating earlier, the spinach artichoke dip. It was this one, we got 2. There's a lot of things we got 2 of because we're not trying to go food shopping for like another 2 weeks. Pumpkin bagels. Surprisingly, like, this was like probably like the second to last one. So I'm about to try it, and I don't know what I would make for this because I wouldn't want it with eggs. Probably with some cream cheese, but I want to be like, you know, thrilling. Like, I wanted to try some new shit. As I can see, I love trying new shit. Like, bro, this is what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about. Pumpkin brush twist. And it comes like, I'm about to show you, and it comes like different slices, like it comes differently. And I saw on TikTok somebody making French toast with it, and I feel like I'm going to do it. Like, that's how I was telling y'all, like, I don't know what I should do for breakfast tomorrow. Now I'm really not sure because I have the hash browns avocado. Really don't know. Maybe I should do this. I don't know. Should we just start this in October? I think I'm gonna just start in October so I can get my goodies in. We got 2 of them because I really thought about the French toast. Like, that's a must. And this is like brown rice quinoa, I don't know how to say this, but pasta thing, and we eat both, so this is like really healthy alternative, and we're gonna try it. I don't really eat pasta like that, but I feel like a lot of fall things are like pasta cozy vibes, and I'm not here for it, but we're gonna try eating pasta again. I know a lot of people like pasta, and I used to really like pasta, but I don't know, I feel like I made it so much I don't like it that much anymore. We got some potatoes. I'm making loaded potatoes for y'all, but we're gonna add a little twist like always. And the last thing I got was some pumpkins. I'm not eating these, they're for decoration. These are so cute. The baby one and the cute one is for like the background of my videos.